the next art gallery.
I can't believe you just taped that plate to the ceiling fan.
There's a guy walking in right now.
He was
Turn it on.
Burrito.
Hold on, I'm not done.
Hold on, turn it on.
Phone's going dead, babe.
Oh, okay.
Turn the fuck up. Alright.
Oh, let us get out, little fucking Charlie thinks so you can see it.
Turn the
You
motherfucking...
can see it.
Turn the goddamn fan on!
Okay, okay. Okay, it's ready to go. Oh,
Oh, fuck.
It's gonna be a key.
Oh, fuck, I'm getting hit. I know it.
No. Oh, round and round it goes.
Nobody knows.
Is it on high?
Yep, give it a minute.
You know, it's gonna be fun to do that in my room.
Yeah, just leave it up there, dude. Leave it going all day. Your mom comes home.
I'm gonna tell her I got for her for Valentine's Day. Extra fan, because it's really hot in this house.
Oh, I missed it.
Landed in the sink, please. Are you sure that's on
I can't believe you caught that.
Oh, he did it right.
Tony, stop! Tony! Tony, we got our computers and shit right there.
Okay.
Put it back where it was. Are there people here?
No, it's only shot.
Yeah, that's not on high. Oh, it's just doesn't have enough torque.